Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to get buying power on Robinhood. So to get buying power on Robinhood, you want to deposit funds into your account to increase your available cash or apply for margin investing to borrow money from Robinhood using your existing holdings as collateral, including potential losses and the need to repay the loan. So first, deposit funds to increase your cash. So the most straightforward way to increase your cash is to deposit more funds into your Robinhood account. Second, apply for margin investing. So margin investing allows you to borrow money from Robinhood to purchase securities, which provides you with additional buying power. So to see your buying power on Robinhood, your buying power is displayed on the main investing landing page within the Robinhood app. You want to click the eye icon to understand how your buying power is calculated. You may also find a drop down to see how it is composed of cash and any margin amount. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.